Hi everybody, welcome back. We won't be showing Mac again because apparently every time we do he's so cute that the stream freezes. So we'll have to deal with sweet little Holly face here. Hello, Miss Holly. Oh, what a sweet girl you are. Oh, Miss Holly. No, Mackie. I don't care how cute you are. Thank you, Holly Dolly. Let's visit our friends in room 1, which is our FIV room. Checker's at the door. Hey, Checker. What you doing there, buddy? Handsome Pantsome. Speaking of handsome Pantsomes, the ever handsome Mr. Colonel. Colonel Grumpy Face. Colonel Walrus Whiskers. Yeah. His cute little ear. He knows he's the cutest. Right, Colonel? Beautiful boy. What is it, Simba? Hello, beautiful babies. Hello, Socks. Yes, Miss Socks. I know, Miss Socks. Okay. Well, Miss Socks is just going to smoosh face for a while. Hi there, Checker. No, don't smoosh camera. Smoosh face is fine. Handsome Checker. Look at that tail. You almost reached your head, dude. Hi, Colonel. Jealous Pants. Bless you. Hey, Checker. Oh, thank you, Socks. Socks is such a sweet girl. Soxy. There's a little sexy garter belt on that back leg, huh?
These bowls. Are these old food or new food?
Old.
Old? Yeah. Wow. We overfed them this much. Who did your dry food today?
Oh, no, that's new. The dry is new.
This is just a lot. Who filled it? You or him?
I filled it.
William, when we do dry food, let's do a little bit less, please. Just barely cover the bottom because this stuff is $85 a bag, and I don't want it to get bad. And stuff like when you leave a bowl of cereal out for 24 hours, it's pretty gross. So we can always give.
Hey there,
more.
sweet boy.
We can't take away. So
this is Bear.
Awesome. Oh, yeah, so you're telling me this during 23. You should hit me and sit shut up, lad.
Hi, Bear. What's going on, buddy? How are you doing, Bear? Bear's a sweet boy. Bear loves hugs. Yes. Yes, he does. And he gets really drooly and, like, super happy when you hug him. It's a very messy affair. Right, Colonel? Colonel occasionally likes to walk on the wheel. Usually it's just for attention. And it's just enough to get that attention. Socks, oh my gosh. Socks. This is ridiculous, Miss Socks. The amount of sweetness coming from you is ridiculous. Go back. Simba, are you sharing? What a sweet baby. Socks is pretty good at sharing with Mr. Simba. Hey, Sarge Parge. Hi. You're purring today, Mr. Sarge. Look at you. Sarge likes his little cheekers scratched. Yeah. Here's a good boy, Sarge. You're so handsome. He's a very sweet boy. He really loves Mr. Simba. That's his best friend. Right, baby? Hey, Cole. I saw you stick your tongue out at me, sir. Yeah? You're such a rude boy, Cole. Always sticking your tongue out at people, huh? He's such a good boy. Here you go, baby. Thank you. Everybody on the internet loved your head bonk. That was very nice of you, Cole. Cole just loves attention. Don't you, Cole Bear? Don't you, Cole Bear? Such a sweet baby. Swing the sweet babies. Hi, Lusty. Lusty loves his head petted. Instant purr. Just add hand. There we go. Hi, Rusty. You just smile instantly. You're so silly. Hi, hi. Look at you. Are you silly? Are you silly? Mm-hmm. You're so sweet, Mr. Rusty. He loves people. Yes, he just loves his people. As long as they rub right there. Silly boy. And yes, you always look so comfortable. Well, hello, pretty girl Pearl. Oh, Pearly. Pearly's a very special girl. She's only one of 2 girls in the FIV room, and she's the only blind kitty in the FIV room. Right, sweetie? I'm one of a kind. Yes, I am. I'm a sweet girl. She just loves being petted. She cannot get enough attention. No. And she has this awesome ability to take your black pants and turn them into fluffy white pants. Yes, she does. You're so very special, Miss Pearl. Bless you. Thank you. Bless you again. Silly babies. Let's see what Jerry's up to. Hi, Jerry. What's going on, Boogerhead? Huh? He's such a cute little guy. You have a very expressive face. Usually it looks like you're expressing concern. Hi, Bear. Bear's looking for a hug. That's his hug me face. Oh, little sweetie. You gotta say hi to Jerry Bear. Jerry. Hi, buddy. Oh, Jerry. Here you go. Oh, look at that. Does that feel good? Sweet boy. Thank you so much, Jerry Bear. And Bear Bear. Silly boys. Buzz Bears, come visit me and hug me face. You're welcome to join us here in person between 1 and 4, Monday through Saturday. Kitties love visitors. Yes. Oh my goodness. I know, Jerry, you've done so good. When he first came here, he was scared of outside. Outside's awesome. I think it's very similar to his Give Me Shoes face. Right, Cole? Sweet babies. You keep watching that perimeter there, Colonel. Good boy, Checker. Good boy, Sarge. Let's head into room 3. Room 3 is our blind room in this building. All the kitties in there are blind. Hi, babies. Oh, you got a snack? Oh, hello. beautiful Casey Lou. She's such a sweet little foxy girl. Look at all that fur. Her little foxtail. Hello, hello. Casey's a doll baby. Very sweet. Very gentle. Yes? Sweet girl. And Izzy Busy. You're a sweet girl too, Izzy. Oh, Izzy Busy. Oh, Izzy Busy body. Oh no. You were going to fall out, but then Casey got in your way. Izzy's a silly girl. She likes to fall out on the floor. Yeah? Sweet baby. Hey, buddy, you look awful comfy. You look awful comfy. Can I scratch your booty? Butterscotch boy. Here's his almost twin, Mr. Morris. You see, Buddy has a little fat American domestic short hair face. Yeah. You sweet boy. Oh, you sweet boy, Buddy. He's a silly boy. Thank you. Such a good boy, Buddy. I know, Miss Izzy. Miss Popcorn's coming to visit. Hey there. What you doing, Miss Popcorn? Thank you for the head bonk. Thank you. Sweet girl. And you too, Miss Gina. 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 What you doing? Oh my goodness. I know. Everybody's getting jealous of everybody right now. Right, Izzy? Izzy Busybody? Gina Jeans? Popcorn's rubbing on my back there. Gina. Gina's a sweet girl. Gina gives the best kisses. Do you not give the best kisses, Miss Gina? Yeah, they're pretty good.
How's it charging?
Pretty good.
It wouldn't charge me on mine at all.
Everybody. Goodness. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Everybody's being so needy today. Oh no, it was a trap. It's always a trap with Popcorn. She's a silly girl. Hey, Scooter. You look like you're enjoying that, buddy. Yeah. That's Scotty Too Hottie. He's rocking his marshmallow body. Hi, LT. What you doing there, LT? She's a silly girl. This is how she pets. How she gets petted. She lays right down. It's okay. I'm hunkered down. I'm ready for pets. May commence the petting. Sterling, you wait so regally. Yeah. Thank you. You get pretty good kisses too. They're a little sandpapery, but they're very nice. Very sweet little kisses. He loves these cardboard things. The Pet Fusions, you can find them on Amazon. Go to smile.amazon.com. Set Blank Cat Rescue as your rescue of choice. Type in Pet Fusion. Check them out for your cats, or check them out for yourself. They just look cool, huh? Yeah. Or check them out for Sterling. Oh, Karen, that's LT. She always does that, but if you stop petting her, then she looks at you very upset that you stopped. She was very shy when she got here. Yes. Right, LT? You're a silly girl. Hi, Abby. Are you letting Maxie go first? That is very kind of you. Hi, Macy. We'll come back to you. You need to eat, get chunky and beautiful. Here, share with her. Go ahead, Macy. We'll get you your own separate bowl. Sweet girl. She said, I'm going back out. She loves outside. Hi, Auntie. Just pets. See? Good job, LT. Thank you. Screech, screech, screech. Yes, I did stop. Silly girl. Where'd the pets go? Silly. Hi, Mixie. Hi, Abby Gabby. Tell me. Tell me, tell me. Tell me something good, Abby. Karen, the tortoiseshell's name is LT, stands for little thing. Right, Abby Gabby? Sweet Abby. Such a good climber. Right, Abby? Yeah, Abby's our old lady here. Little old lady. She's about 18 years old. Yeah, but don't tell her that. She doesn't know that. She likes to do little cartwheels, climb, and boss all the kitties around. Yes, what a sweet baby. Yes, Abby loves people. Yep, she loves to tell everybody everything. Uh-huh. How was your day? Uh-huh. 5? It was a 5 out of how many? 5? That's a pretty good day, Abby. Yeah, it seems pretty good to me. Silly girl. Hi, Morris. You looking for trouble? Yeah. Yeah? Morris is looking for trouble. I told you, he knows Abby will hiss at him. She's an old lady. She doesn't want to put up with your crap, huh? Huh? Silly boy. You are so silly. You are so silly. Morris. Morris. He's so funny. He loves to pick on Abby. He just gets his tee-hees out of it, huh? Makes you giggle, does it, Morris? Doesn't it, Morris? He loves his belly rubs. Right, buddy? Easy busy. There she is. Thank you, sweet girl. There you go, Maxie. Getting in your bed? Come on. You can do it. Good job, Maxie. This is her favorite spot. Thank you. Such a sweet girl, Maxie. Thank you, Miss Maxie. She has those Puss in Boots eyes. Right? Gorgeous girl. Hi, Tabitha. I'm coming. Thank you so much, Miss Maxie. Miss Maxie loves brushes, so you guys should come visit during our visiting hours, which are, of course, 1 to 4, Monday through Saturday. You got brushes. We'll hand you one. You can sit there and just brush Maxie all you want. She'll just purr. All right, Tabitha? Or you can brush Tabitha. She likes to shed. She'll turn all your pretty black clothes into pretty white clothes. Yeah, she is laying down with kitty glitter. Or little kitty seeds. Kitty dandelion fuzz. Yeah. Tabitha. Oh, Tabitha. She's silly. She used to be a very shy girl when she got here. We would do tours and she'd be hiding under the verandas. Yeah. Now she'll sit on strangers' laps and let them pet her. I'm so proud of her. Right, Tabitha? Oh, you're silly, too. Oh, yes, you are. Everybody sees it. They know how silly you are. Oh, silly, silly Tabitha. Silly, silly. She's so cute. Bye, Tabitha. You have fun out here, sweet pea. And thank you guys so much for joining us today. Don't forget to check out our website, FlyingCatRescue.com, where you can find links to all our social media, including YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also click Meet the Cats, where you can find out each cat's story, how they got here, and find out how to sponsor them if you have a particular one that just strikes your fancy. Or you can just donate in general. Or you can go to our wish list. We have an Amazon wish list on our website and pick something out for the kitty cats. Or if you need to buy something for your kitty cats on Amazon, make sure you go to smile.amazon.com. Set Blind Cat Rescue as your rescue choice. We'll get a small portion of everything you buy. Keep an eye on our Facebook page for contests and clicks, as well as shirts or any other promotions we have going on. We also have a cafe press store, tons of cute shirts with kitty cats on them, right, babies? Thank you guys so much for joining us. Stay tuned again later for Tour at